So that's all there is to it. And then if I go, let's see, if I switch to, I want to show this one thing before I leave. If I switch to Postman, then I can show you guys how this works. So in Postman, this is an example of the prompt. So I say the address. Yeah, I have to copy that may be an earlier public address. So let me just go back and get the public IP. The public IP in this case is, it's actually correct. So this is, the public IP is correct. And then I just say send, and now it's going into the ECS service and into our Python application, and it's searching our proprietary model using the Chat GPT API. And it should come back with an answer and tell us what are deductible expenses. And this is from that IRS publication, that PDF file that we passed in to train the database. So this is how you be a tax expert. And you can, don't forget, you can put a bunch of documents in here. You can do other things as well. For example, let's say you have a fairly large accounting system and you want to put your financial statements in here. You can search your financial statements. One thing that I like to emphasize before you do anything proprietary in here, don't forget this is in the cloud, and just do your homework, making sure you understand the level of privacy you have in case you're putting in sensitive material. You might also want to contact them to get some definitive answers if something's not clear. But at the very least, if your information is not extremely sensitive, like in my case, I just wanted a better way of reading these documents, but they're actually public documents. It's augmenting ChatGPT's abilities by extending it with documents I care about, and I think that's a great feature. And there are plenty of applications where you just don't. It's documents are not particularly sensitive, so that's my main use for this. Please post some comments if you have any questions about this or what your thoughts are. And thank you for listening.